Hi guys, morning. So I'm going to show you how to change the intensity of colours today. I have the paints. These are in fact my father's, what he used when he was younger, and he's now given to me, which is rather nice. I have water to wash my brush, I have my paintbrush, and I have a tissue, just useful for making sure my brush is dry after washing. So I am going to use two main colours. I'm going to use a primary colour, so I'm going to use a nice red, and I am going to mix that red with a, what shall I choose? Green, with a secondary colour, green. So there are the two ends of my scale. It's a bit of a muddy green, isn't it? But that's what it is. Let's check it's all clean. There we go. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to use my little mixing tray here, which is a little bit mucky, isn't it? So shall I clean that with a little bit of water and my tissue so you can see more easily what I'm doing. There we go. It is important to keep your brushes, your paints, and wherever you're working to mix your colours, to keep them clean, isn't it? So you get a pure colour. Otherwise we just end up with mud. So I'm putting quite a little bit of watercolour paint on there. There we go. There we are. Bit of water in it. And now I'm going to add a tiny bit of green. So just one little bit to all of it. There we go. So the colour has hardly changed at all, and I'm going to put it on there. Yep. Now washing my brush, rinsing it each time so as not to contaminate the green with red. Bit more green in there. Aha. Here we are. So this is making a much darker, and it's made brown. Have you realised that if you mix a primary with a secondary colour, it always makes brown? Yeah. Another way of making brown is to mix yellow, blue and red, all the primary colours. Yeah. So a secondary colour is made out of two primaries, isn't it? And then the other primary. So again, it's the three primary colours. Oh, look, it's turning it a greener colour. Put a bit more. Now I'd use this when I'm painting to add the shade to something. So if I was painting a red flower in a green field, I would maybe add this darker shade of green to show, just darker shade of red to show the shade under the flower petals maybe. Okay, so you can see that I have changed the intensity of the colour from red to green by mixing in tiny bits of green. So that is your task now. Let's see how you do. Have a few tries, don't just try with one, and then post your tries up on the Padlet. And then also you could try creating a painted artwork of your choice, again, which shows me that you've managed to mix and change the intensity of your colours. Okay, have a great day. Bye.